So tonight for dinner, we're gonna do a chuck. Some call it a roast, some call it a steak. What do they call it? A cowboy steak or something like that?
I don't know. We're gonna cook it as a steak.
And
a roast.
Yeah, kinda.
Searing it first.
But
over the fire, no less.
I made the marinade or the rub at home to make it easier for us out here, because it'll empty all my spice jars if I make it out here. So it's
pre-mixed.
Onion, garlic, brown sugar, coriander, pepper, kosher salt.
If you could only smell it.
I'm gonna break up the brown sugar there. Oh, there's cayenne. So we'll put the rub on and let it sit for probably 30 minutes before we throw it on the burrito out there.
As it sucks it all in.
Mm-hmm.
All sides.
Oh yeah, be generous. It's a big, big piece of meat. And make sure you get all of it. Okay, most of the water is cooked out. So now it's time for a little bit of olive oil, which is sitting over there. And some I have to laugh when you do that. It's kind of entertaining. Problem is it runs everywhere. We're on quite the slant.
If you would like more action sound effects, please subscribe and become a patron of our channel. Thank you.
Like and subscribe. And now garlic. And the only way to go, fresh garlic.
Pause for the greatest thing ever.
Oh, and it went everywhere.
The ants will be happy.
Ooh, smell that. But see, I don't like to throw all this stuff away. I like to stick it back in and squeeze more out of it. We love garlic. There we go.
There's the scent.
Smell it now.
There it is. Stir it in.
I'm going to turn that down just a little bit. Oh. Bees didn't like it too.
Sorry, we don't have smell-o-vision. But if you would like to try our smell-o-vision, you could become a patron on our Patreon page. It would be much appreciated. We'll do our best. Can we make scratch and sniffs? Scratch and sniffs patch?
I will.
It would be garlic for sure.
Yes, I will eventually get all the recipes out.
The youngsters don't know what scratch and sniff is.
No, they don't.
What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Gonna put a little vermouth in there.
Because you're not a serious camper unless you carry a bottle of vermouth with you for various cooking needs.
Let that boil up a little bit. Simmer.
That'd be impressive. Someone with a backpack. I brought the vermouth.
And then I'd ask, what would you like me to cook?
It's that kid in Stand By Me. I brought the comb.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even have any hair.
What was that kid's name?
That's Jerry O'Connell.
I know, but what was that kid's name in the movie? We just were there last year.
I can't remember. Okay. Someone help us out in the comments. I can't.
We were just there.
The character's name. Yeah. I can't remember. Alright. Anyway. Dinner's cooking.
We're cooking.
Yeah, it's coming along swimmingly.
Pasta's in.
Oh, it's those little nesting pastas.
Easiest pastas to use camping.
It's great. And we're going to eat like champions.
We're a little dirty. It's okay.
Yes, our clothes are too. I just gleeked.
A dumbass. Excuse him for being a little overexcited about cooking.
Sorry, that wasn't a gleek. It was a camp gleek. And
It takes a little time. It's not instant.
I'm not just your regular dork. I'm a camp dork.
Yeah, you are. For sure. But at least we love our lives.
Hey, when the moment's right, I can film with the best of them.
Oh, it's fun.
Are you gonna try some? Oh my goodness.
It looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Guess I have to, huh?
Okay.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot. But it's delicious. Ready? Here's some for you.
Okay.
It's so hot.
Holy matrimony.
Matrimony.
That's good.
Now we just need to make sure.
Damnation.
Okay.